Hey there, YouTube friends. We just got in from walking the doggies, and I felt like making some hash browns. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Very unscientific. I just peel some potatoes, I get my mandolin, and I start shredding. And I put them on a plate with a paper towel because I want to get the moisture out. I got 4 potatoes here. They look like, you know, little French fries, but I'm going to mush them up a little bit in a second. Okay, now I have an onion. I'm going to run through the mandolin. Put that in there. Okay, I'm going to slice up some peppers. And, you know, you can put in whatever you like. You know. I'm just going in the fridge and raiding the fridge and all the things that I like in there. Alright, so we got these peppers. And we got this green onion. I'll throw that in. I like green onion. Alright, so now, some extra paper towels and try to get some moisture out. Just like that. And I'll take a big bowl here and put everything in there. Like that. And I'll take peppers and put the peppers in there, just like that. And mix everything up. Mush it around a little bit. That's pretty good, right? Alright, so now I'm going to put some salt in there. Put some pepper. We got Italian bloodline, so we'll put a little bit of garlic in there. And then just get in there and mix it all up. Okay, now I got my pan on high heat. I put a little oil in there like that. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 stick of butter in there. And I'm not going to use the whole 1/4 stick. Just scoop that out. Again, I'm the unscientific cook. I'm going to put all that in. Move it around. And I cook them down just for like 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to transfer everything. Okay, now I got the broiler on low, and I'm just going to brown it a little bit. Take it out. So we got a nice brown to the top of it. That's nice and toasty. Okay, now we'll just let it cool for a couple of minutes. Okay, so there we have my version of very unscientific hash browns. Crunchy. Buttery. Probably add another 2 inches to our waistline, but that's okay. As long as it's good. So, if you like the video, please subscribe. Stop by, say hello, and we'll catch you next time.